At O&Y Precision, we believe that when you invest into us, we invest right back into you. We're proud to introduce the newest addition to our shop, the Doosan DVF 6500. It's a high-performance, full 5-axis machining center built for speed, precision, and versatility. Driven by the needs of our customers, we're continuously reinvesting in technology to stay ahead of the demand. The DVF 6500 gives us the power to machine complex geometries with fewer setups, tighter tolerances, and fast turnarounds. Our customers are growing, their parts are getting more complex, and timelines are getting tighter, so we're stepping up. Every machine we bring in is a promise that your parts will be made faster, more accurately, and with the quality you expect from O&Y Precision. This is more than just a machine, it's our commitment, because when you partner with O&Y Precision, we grow together. Contact us today for a quote, tour our facility, see the difference. O&Y Precision, your growth is our mission.